In this question, you have to identify the components that Miller mixed in a closed flask to produce amino acids. Now, in his famous experiment in 1953, Stanley L. Miller simulated the conditions of the early Earth to understand how organic molecules such as amino acids could have been formed. So he mixed water to simulate the ancient oceans with methane, which is a simple carbon source representing the gases thought to be present in the Earth's early atmosphere, with ammonia, which is a nitrogen source, and finally hydrogen, a simple gas thought to be present in the early atmosphere with vapor. And he subjected this mixture to electric sparks at 800 degrees centigrade, mimicking the lightning storms, which provided energy for the chemical reactions. And after running this experiment for a week, Miller was able to found that amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, has been synthesized. Hence, the correct answer is option C.